That's it, see? It was so simple. Even I could do it without actually having a blooper. But she has to say that, right? Even if it's not nice. Hey folks, this is Anu back in Varun's bar. And I have a special friend with me here. Shruti is joining us tonight.
Hi everyone.
And Shruti is a whiskey drinker. So when we go out partying, she loves to have a good whiskey cocktail. And so today she's my guinea pig. I'm going to make her something interesting. I don't think you've had this before. Have you ordered a Amaretto Sour before?
No.
No. Okay, so she's had a whiskey sour, a Manhattan sour that Varun has made, and it was with egg white. Today, I'm making the Amaretto Sour without egg white. Yeah, I don't think the two of us are very fond of egg white in our drinks.
I'm not.
So here I have my cocktail shaker. Yeah, I have ice in it, and I'm gonna pour in 50 ml of Amaretto in here, and then I'm gonna top it up with 50 ml of fresh orange juice instead of lime juice. That's what I'm pouring. And to give it a bit of fizz, there is ginger ale. Yeah. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I hope you like it, Shruti. Gonna give it a bit of a shake. Actually, if you're putting egg white in it, then do the shake without the ice. It should have dry shake so that you can get nice foam in it. But today, because we're doing it without the egg white, I have put in a lot of ice and I'm going to pour it in here. That's it, see? It was so simple. Even I could do it without actually having a blooper. That means I've had a few drinks. And here I'm dressing it with a slice of orange. Let's see how you like it. I have my fingers crossed.
Fantastic.
But she has to say that, right? Even if it's not nice.
It's amazing.
Yeah. How many are you gonna have tonight?
4?
Oh my god,
For
I'm
sure.
gonna be the bartender all night long. Well, hopefully we're gonna be drunk by the end of this night.
Cheers.
And cheers to you folks.